kids, welcome back in ENV class. Today we will start our new chapter, chapter 10 Kabaddi Kabaddi Kabaddi. So let's start our chapter. Chapter 10 Kabaddi Kabaddi Kabaddi. In this chapter we will learn about the sport Kabaddi. Sports and exercise are physical activities. We should play this type of games so that our body stays flexible and healthy. So let's see. Kabaddi, 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 out, out. All the girls shouted loudly. Kabaddi, 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 hold from here. Kabaddi, kabaddi, hold from the leg. The leg, hold her leg. Kabaddi, kabaddi, Vasudha, you come here. You hold her from here. So in the starting of the chapter, all the girls are playing kabaddi. And one girl whose turn is there, she is picking kabaddi, kabaddi, and the opposite team trying to hold her. Hey Sushila, make sure that her hand does not touch the line. Hold her hand. Kabaddi, kabaddi. Oh, she has touched it. Out, out, all out. Oh, ho, ho, your team is all out. So here, when the girl is touching the line, opposite team is all out. What are these girls doing? They are shouting out, out, out. It is clear that they are playing a game. So it's clear that they are playing kabaddi game, and one whose turn is there, she touched the line. So it is clear that opposite team is all out. What do you call this game? So there are other names in other languages of kabaddi like Chedugudu, Hututu, Chukit, Hududu or kabaddi or something else. So in different languages it is known as different names. But this sport we can play like this. When the girls surrounded Shamla and caught her, everyone thought that she was out. Somebody caught her legs, somebody her arms, while one girl caught her by the waist. But Shamla was not the one to give up. She dragged herself by increasing her strength and managed to touch the line in the center. So in this picture, this girl is Shamla and all these girls are from opposite team. So Shamla dragged herself by her strength and managed to touch the line, and finally she touched this line. So when she touched this line, opposite team is all out. When Shamla touched the line, all the girls of the opposite side were holding her. So all of them got out. But Rosie argued that Shamla had taken a breath in between. So the team was not out. So here when Shamla touched the line, opposite team is all out. But from the opposite team, Rosie argued that Shamla had taken a breath in between. So the team was not out. Now let's see what will happen next. Shamla insisted that this was not true. She said that if she had taken a breath, why did the girls keep holding her? There was a big argument and finally Shamla won. So here Shamla insisted that this was not true. And also she said that if she had taken a breath, why did the girls keep holding her? And finally at the end Shamla won. So this is what a game of kabaddi is like. Snatching and pulling happen. Someone is caught, there is shouting also. So this is a game of bravery and it has many rules. So here we can see kabaddi ground. So in this game there are two teams. In one team there are 12 members but only 7 players are seen on the ground at one time. So on the ground there are total 14 players. What does one do when takes turn in kabaddi? So when anyone takes turn in kabaddi, he or she keeps on saying kabaddi kabaddi continuously. So they have to hold their breath until they are coming back in their position from the opposite team. When you are taking your turn, be very careful. You have to use your body and mind too. You have to pay attention all around. When you touch the line of other team, take care of that nobody from that team will catch you. So, you have to be very careful. Now, when you go to play kabaddi, focus your attention on your legs, arms and eyes. You will notice the good coordination of all these body parts helps you a lot. So, when you are playing kabaddi, focus on your legs, arms and eyes. What does it mean to be out in kabaddi? When does one get out in the game? Enter the area of the opposite team saying kabaddi kabaddi and does not touch the center line, then he is out. He has to keep saying kabaddi 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 until he is in the opposite area and has not returned to his own side. So when you take turn and you go to opposite side, opposite area, you have to speak continuously kabaddi kabaddi kabaddi. You have to hold your breath until you return to your own side. If he cannot do this and stops for breath, then also he is out. And also, if the members of the opposite team catch him and do not let him touch the center line, then he is also out. So, when a player of one team enters the area of the opposite team saying kabaddi kabaddi, touches one or more players of the opposite team and goes back successfully to his own area, the players touched by him are out. In some games, those who are having their turn, they touch others. So game like Kho-Kho, Kabaddi and chain forming. In these games, players who are taking turn, they have to touch others. In some games, they go to find the player. So in some games whose turn is there, they have to go to find the other players. So games like hide and seek and blind man's bluff, player who take turn, they have to find other players. What other games do you play? What do the players have to do with it? So, we play many games like carom, gilli danda, cricket, basketball. So all the games have different rules. All the games are different and different rules. So in this chapter we discuss about kabaddi. In next video we will see how girls are taking parts in sports and become very successful. Thank you.